Peter opened his math book and found out that the product of the pages of the textbook he opened to was 3,906. What were the pages numbers? Okay, so syempre pag nag-open ka ng book, kailangan yung pages niyan ay magkakasunod. So satisfied naman lahat, lahat ng choices ay magkakasunod yung number. So trial and error ang gagawin natin dito kasi ang sabi ang product daw nung pages 3,906. So i-multiply lang natin yung dalawang dulo. Kailangan, alam ba ito 7 and 8 lang ang i-multiply natin. Kailangan yung dulo niya 6. When mo multiply 7 and 8, that is 56. So posible na 6 ang dulo. Itong letter A, posible na 6 yung dulo. For letter B, 0 times 1. So, mali na ang letter B kasi ang last number nito or last digit nito ay 0. Okay, so for letter C, 62 times 63. So, we have 2 times 3. That is 6. So, posible na letter C ang tamang sagot. Letter D, 4 and 5. Pag minultiply 20, so 0 ang last digit nito, mali na ito. And then for letter E, 68 and 69, when multiplied, 8 times 9 is 72. So, 6 dapat ang dulo. So, therefore, dalawa na lang ang natira sa choices. I-multiply lang natin ang 57 times 58, saka itong 62 and 63. So, i-multiply lang muna natin itong mas madali, 62 and 63. Okay, so 62 times 63. So, we have 3 times 2, we have 6. 3 times 6, we have 18. 6 times 2, we have 12, carry 1. 6 times 6 is 36, plus 1, we have 37. And then add, bring down 6. 8 plus 2, we have 10, carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 7, we have 9, and bring down 3. Okay, so we got 3,906. So the correct answer is letter C, 62 and 63. So follow me for more content like this.